And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 18-piece stripped nut remover. This is for damaged bolts or nuts that you cannot remove, and with this you should be able to remove them. So they send you the package like this, nicely sealed. I love that. Nothing to really show you, just has their sticker there, nice company logo there. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. So slide this and bada bing. Look at that. There is all of your different sizes, so you can see all of those. And these are the little extenders right here, as I mentioned. And really, everything is labeled inside of here as well, so you know what's what before you take it out. And then, like, if I take out the 5/8, it even has on it that it's a 5/8 16 millimeter with the company logo. Very nice. So these are all very nicely made. They feel strong. They would not break easy or anything like that. And if you have bolts or nuts that are stripped, you should be able to use this to find the size you need. And once you have the size you need, you should be able to get that bolt off. Of course, you got the extenders as well if you need them. So that's everything that comes inside of this Impact bolt and nut remover kit, all 18 pieces, as well as a solid storage case. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you exactly what you get. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.